Bad credit is like hitting turbulence during a flight. It's unexpected, shaky, and stressful. Just like a pilot needs to stay calm, adjust a course, and steadily regain control, you can navigate through bad credit by making consistent payments, reducing debt, and staying disciplined. With the right adjustments, the ride smooths out and you'll be back on track to financial stability. Here are 5 things to always remember about your credit journey. 1. Pay on time every time. One-time payments help ensure a smooth financial journey. Late payments create unnecessary turbulence, so set reminders or automate your payments to stay on course. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Using more than 30% of your available credit can make your credit profile less stable. Keep balances low and pay them off regularly for a steady approach. 3. Credit age matters. The longer you keep accounts open and in good standing, the better your credit history looks. Don't rush to close old cards. Keep them open and think of them as part of your steady flight path. 4. Limit hard inquiries. Every time you apply for new credit, lenders check your report, which can slightly shift your course. Apply wisely and keep your trajectory smooth. 5. Check your credit report often. Errors happen and fraud is real. Reviewing your credit report helps you stay in control and keep your financial runway clear. Good credit isn't just about numbers, it's about the financial freedom and the path. Stay on course and you'll always be clear for landing.